When you think of WW2 atrocities, you probably think of Nazi Germany, right? But that's not the whole story. See, Nazi doctors were tried for war crimes, but the doctors of Japan's Unit 731, they were granted immunity.
So the big question is, why? Why the difference? The answer was a secret deal. The US offered complete immunity in exchange for their research data.
So what data could possibly be worth that price? And what exactly was Unit 731?
Well, it was Japan's top secret biological warfare unit, led by a man named General Shiro Ishii.
They conducted truly horrific experiments on living people, including POWs and thousands of civilians. Get this. Vivisections were done without any anesthetic to get what they called pure results.
And these horrors didn't just stay in the lab. They took them out for field tests.
They dropped bombs filled with plague and anthrax on Chinese cities just to study the effects.
The total number of estimated victims from these attacks? Over 500,000 people.
They even planned to attack the US, a plot to hit San Diego with a bubonic plague.
So why the immunity deal? US officials considered the data they gathered absolutely invaluable. In fact, in a pretty chilling statement, the data was considered to be obtained fairly cheaply. So when Japan surrendered, General Ishii ordered a complete and total cover-up. All evidence was destroyed.
This cover-up, protected by the US immunity deal, led to decades of official silence.
The people behind these crimes, they never faced justice, and many went on to live successful lives.
For generations in Japan, Unit 731 was just flat out denied. It wasn't even taught in schools. It's only in recent years that the truth has started to come out, mostly due to international pressure. But here's the thing. Unlike Germany, Japan has never formally apologized for the actions of Unit 731. Which leaves us with one final big question. When history is buried like this, is justice even possible?